So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on VIVO V29 Lite. To add a new widget, press on some free space on your home screen, then tap on widgets. Now you can select one from here or maybe from another app. I'm gonna select the clock widget. You can select the type. I'm gonna select this clock, click on add widget, and now it's placed on my home screen. When I press and hold on it, I can drag it to another place, or I can also resize it like that by dragging the dots, which are here. Or to remove a widget, press and hold on it, then tap on remove. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.